You ask me.
Indeed. Shout outs to Hot Ref Nation tuning in.
Hashtag Hot Ref Nation.
Indeed.
Got the bracelet to prove it.
Indeed. We're off here to start. We have Lucas.
Adrian Smith versus Jay Lucas. He will let you call him Duncan, but his name is Adrian Smith.
I will continue to go with Avecilla. It said Duncan Smith. I'll go with Avecilla for now.
A shove to the chest of Lucas from the one and only Adrian Smith, guitar god.
It is kind of interesting that Adrian Smith here was able to make it to Warner Robins today.
That's because he loves wrestling. He is here for the love of pro wrestling. Look at the precision of that. Oh, my goodness.
Indeed, nice headlock takeover. Head scissors there from Lucas there, regaining control. Avecilla, kicks out, turns right back into it once again.
A little bit of his own medicine given back to him there.
Indeed.
Royal flu. Oh, quick reversal.
Nice job. Lucas powers out. Leg sweep. Bear 1 count, not even. Counters it. Ducks under, grabs the wrist, spins him into his own corner. Up and over. Off the ropes. Slides under, baseball slide. Spins him around, shoves him back in. Nice hip toss from Lucas. Arm drag, staying on the arm. Here is Lucas. Calf kicking a beauty. Follows up.
1, 2. Hey, I am glad you are here, Mike. They are fighting faster than Street Fighter 2 Turbo.
Indeed, and not the Rainbow Edition. Tag out to Yaki.
That's right, not Sega Genesis style. It's Super Nintendo.
Double team here, goes under, dumps up, Jet Frog again. Stereo drop kicks from top team.
Going for the tag, Seventh Son. Dave Murray is in, Adrian is out. Teriyaki is in, 2 fresh competitors.
Nice job from Teriyaki, anticipating that tag. Gets the drop toe hold, gets the amateur style headlock, controlling his own wrist. Interlocking fingers is illegal in freestyle wrestling. Ducks under, both men thinking the same thing. Spinning wheel kick from Teriyaki.
The man they call Dallas, who I call Dave Murray, launched into the corner.
Up and over, counters the counter, sweeps the leg out, comes back in. Drop kick right to the chest.
Fantastic manipulation of gravity there from the top rope.
And it's not the only time you'll see Teriyaki go airborne, just trust me. Tag in the Lucas.
I trust you.
Okay, once again, double team again, cutting off half the ring. Hip toss.
Mother of the earth.
Oh, trying to get Yaki out of the ring there.
1, 2, go.
Oh, and sometimes on those double teams, you hang in the ring a little too much, watching your work. Might have cost him.
These are men who live up to their name. They are a top team, but
Wait a
look
minute.
at that tag team awareness.
Wait a minute.
Oh, this is brilliant. Smith and Murray working together.
Taking advantage of the limited vision of the referee. Fisherman hangs on, bridges.
Oh, he's got it. 1, 2. Telling Lucas, if you're gonna die, you better die with your boots on.
Indeed. Avecilla taking advantage of Lucas turning his back, kicking him while illegal. He's going to tag in this time.
Murray out, Smith in.
For those of you keeping track, that is Dallas with the knee. Avecilla is legal. Double bulldog.
I'm talking about quick. Top 1, 2. Top team almost went to the bottom there.
Indeed. I don't think it's going to be that easy for either team to get either partner, either wrestler out of this match, though.
Adrian Smith definitely the X factor in this match.
Indeed. Endured some of the arm drags and hip tosses early to get this. Looks like a rear chin lock. Okay, gives up on it. Irish whip, can't quite get him. Can he reach his partner?
So close. Is he going to be able to reach him? No, not quite.
It's almost a bit of a fake out there. Goes under.
Oh, kick right to the gut. Oh, he got Murray.
There you go. He learned his lesson from last time he turned his back.
So close. Top team almost got the tag go. Lucas was not able to make it to Teriyaki.
And gets stuck by the belly to belly.
1, 2, no.
Lucas able to survive, only 2.
Teriyaki on the outside, but no Gyudon inside. No Okonomiyaki inside.
Indeed. They say teriyaki has the sauce. Have you heard that?
Beating his chest. Boom, boom. 1, 2.
Okay. Good mix-up. Goes for the cover after those hard strikes. Wait, Avecilla now getting in the face of the lovely Jennifer Wims. Trying to clear out the...
Look at him. That's so
trying to,
oh, wait a minute.
wait, what's happening? Oh, wait a minute. That's not... That is not... Oh, here comes Yaki. Oh, wait. Yaki's in. No, Yaki shouldn't be in there. Blatant rule bending here from the Seven Sons. They're going to tag here this time.
Somebody in the crowd talking about their favorite baseball player, Derek Jeter.
I don't think that's what he said, but okay.
Murray up, Smith down once.
Spins him around.
Oh, here we go. Flipping him out.
Assisted moonsault. Legal man makes the pin.
1, 2. Oh, I thought that was it. Lucas able to kick out right at the last second.
Indeed. Well done tandem offense. Not quite enough to put out Jay Lucas.
Seven Sons facing another caliber of tag team here in GLPW.
Indeed. They've definitely risen to the occasion, though. Definitely. Tags in. Which member is that?
So Murray is the blonde.
Gotcha.
Smith is the brunette.
Okay, tag.
It's easy to confuse because they don't have their guitars with them.
I see. That's what's getting me. That must be it. Hard chop to the chest from Avecilla.
Slapping him down like a baseline Steve Harris style.
There you go.
Oh, up and over.
Snapmare goes for the pin out of it.
1, 2.
Lucas kicks out. I think, is that Murray? I think Murray just wanted to...
Indeed it is Murray. You're picking up well.
I got it. Murray there just trying to make Lucas work from the bottom here. Forearms.
He's being bludgeoned in the face by the elbow, which is a great maneuver.
It is indeed legal. I do want to note. Lucas going to try to get off these ropes and get over to Teriyaki. Strikes back with his own forearm. He takes one in return.
Did you hear that elbow hit the jaw? That was disgusting, and I loved it.
That makes me uneasy. European uppercut from Dallas, I will say.
Yes.
The artist formerly known as Aaron Dallas.
It's actually from Britain, so it would be European.
Got it.
Oh, got the leg. Oh, he's got the back brain kick.
Oh.
Through the old outdoor.
Not legal. Oh!
Adrian Smith out to the crowd.
And a hard German suplex. This is the light that Lucas needs. Can he get the teriyaki?
Come on, guys. You got to play Nottingham Festival.
Just about there.
Come on, Murray. Get Adrian Smith in there. You can do it. Yeah.
Tag to Smith. Tag to Yaki. Springboards in. Yaki off the top rope. Front flip senton. Corner drop kick.
Now drop kicks.
Second one. Oh, fakes him out.
Oh, no.
Once again, they collide. What does he have here? Picks him up. Powerbomb style lift. Sit out. Powerbomb.
1, 2. Oh, thank goodness.
And the artist formerly known as Avecilla kicks out.
We don't have to cancel the tour yet.
Tags him in. I don't know. Metal is pretty everlasting. I think they will be okay.
Absolute. Give this man a ring. Oh, no.
Rip.
Adrian Smith assaulted on all sides.
Sequence of strikes from top team. That's got to be all. Whoa.
Murray makes it in. I think a piece of candy has flowed into the ring.
It's breaking down. Yaki now, smart move, getting out of the ring to actually get the tag in to be legal.
Smith is out.
We all know.
Advantage.
We all know they have this J Driller double stop combination. Picks him up. He lifts him. Yaki up.
Just in time, caught him with the shoulder to the chin. Oh, jumping rising knee.
Indeed, they've isolated Teriyaki. Only bad things happen when you're by yourself.
They're going up. On to the hills because it is over.
Right on his head. That's it. That's it.
2. Oh, I thought it was over.
And you want to talk about durability? Add the name teriyaki to the dictionary. My goodness.
Every nerve I have is on end right now, Mike.
Okay, I understand. I don't know how he was able to kick out of that.
Maybe he had a little extra wasabi.
Oh no, they're going to grab the wrists here. We've seen this double knee. Oh, count it out. Lucas comes in.
Oh, no.
Cross body.
Perhaps they should have counted faster.
Possibly. Dallas, artist formerly known as Dallas to the floor. Teriyaki, gonna fly.
Oh no! Getting a little too close for comfort with the fans in the front. I don't know what their comfort level is. That's up to them. Oh, hooking him up.
Jay Drillis! Got it! That's gotta be all. That's gotta be all.